So back online. As promised, next flight will be from Athens to Santorini. Short flight, 39 minutes. We are using Athens as alternate. We will load 5 tons of fuel, so let's start GSX to refuel.
Refueling truck is on its way.
Perfect.
Please don't load aircraft until the
Also
fuel
maybe
truck
some
arrives.
water service today because it's very hot.
Water service has been requested.
So let's reload the flight in the aircraft. Request new data, yes please. So we are in a turnaround state here.
Fuel truck is in position. Please don't load aircraft until the fuel truck arrives and ask.
Let's hope this works.
Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel quantity.
Yeah, it should be done automatically. We are at the same gate as we parked before, Alpha 34. So some 32 minutes to departure off block, estimated 1105. So let's check the weather down in Santorini. It's Cabo Cave, 34 degrees at the moment, QNH 1009, we have northerly winds, northwesterly winds, so we'll aim for runway 33 then. Oh, load up the route. Which looks like this. Departure runway 03 right, on the SID right hand turn down to Kilo Echo Alpha. So the fuel is on board. Yeah. And then we will do the approach via the VOR and then the right hand circuit inbound for runway 33. We're parked here, so we can do the briefing later on. So let's clean up from the previous flight here. We can reset the fuel. Perfect. And some seatbelt sign can go on, as well as the window hits. Flight recorder, there's so let's bring up the OFP again. So departure via 03 right. Not Caristos, what is this? Kilo Echo. Ah, just named Kilo Echo Alpha. Kilo Echo Alpha 1 Echo. So let's do the VOR Alpha for runway 33. Exxon 1 Alpha. Let's try that one. So, route check, Kilo Echo Alpha, Lima 607 to net, this, and Bravo 342 Pexan. That's correct, and then the star. So, where were we? So that's planned. G6 can start the boarding. Request boarding, yes please. No, thank you. So, the zero fuel weight is 58.6. With reserves 2.7 back to Athens. Cost index 6, and we are planning for flight level 190.
Passengers boarding started.
So, transition altitude. $9,000, yeah. That's minus 22 here. Minus 7 only. I will do the performance shortly. So for the SID runway heading Alpha Victor 033, Alpha Victor 035 down to Kilo Echo Alpha, height restriction 240 or below, B235 in the turn, okay. So it looks correct. Let's see about the boarding. Yeah, they are boarding. This is some kind of new GSX feature, but they are unfortunately not going outside the rope here. So we are loading up. So let's do some performance. 03 right. $63.6, I think that was the one. So we will not take off from full runway, will we? Yeah, we will. Delta 2. This way, 3,900, so it's 100 meters. We'll put in 3,900 there. Weather 110 degrees, 8 knots. The wind is turning a little bit. Anyway, 53 degrees. Flaps 5, CG 19.5. That's correct, 541. Takeoff speeds will be 137, 139, 143. 135, 139, 143. Okay. There we go. It's NADP1 here, so I will take off in the VNAV configuration, so we'll put acceleration height 3000 feet. And runway heading 032, which should already be there.
Welcome on board.
Check if there's any stop altitude on the SID. Yeah, and we don't have any ATC at the moment, so we clear ourselves up to the transition altitude, which was 9,000 then. First turn 104. Seven. So how is the boarding going? It's only the luggage left, I guess. Yeah, we can start the APU already now then. So, Santorini. Situated on 120 feet, so can put 100 here maybe. All looks good. Just waiting for the boarding to complete. Oh, there we go. So the parking brake, we will set it now. What's he doing? So delivery went offline. We can release the ground power unit and we can ask for push. Check up the QNH. Still 1010.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback.
So I don't expect the ATC to go online, so let's dial in 9000 there. We have the clearance then to our destination. We had a Kilo Echo Alpha 1 Echo departure initially to 9000 feet. On discretion. So we will, we're situated here on Alpha 34, so we will push back face to the east, southeast. Then we will taxi via Charlie all the way up to Delta 2 for the takeoff. That concludes the briefing. So we can put the bleeds on the APU, have some air. There we go. So still some entries. I would have the stair still. So everything is closed up.
Looking gear.
So the frequency 1228 is now set. Yes, perfect. Wait with the transponder. Not sure about this nose rising, how it works with the Fsrealistic, but we'll see. So we will face east. Transponder can go to on, and as well as the anti-collision light. Yeah. Problem is that the shocks are in place. Sorry about that.
Release parking brakes, please. Commencing push.
And Athena traffic, Ryanair 5 uniform Zulu, we are pushing back stand Alpha 34 face southeast on India. So we are clear for engine startup.
Athens traffic agent to go Sierra taxiing Kilo Delta 8 Delta holding 1 Delta 4 runway 03 right Athens.
Take the block time on this watch. Yeah, he will get sucked into the engine walking like that. Too bad for him. So engine 2 is stable. Start number 1 then.
Please set parking brakes. Waiting your confirmation for a good engine start.
Cockpit to ground. We have a good engine start. You can disconnect.
And looking gear.
Starter is cut out, and engine 2 is stable. 20, 50, 30, 60 will do.
Tow truck disconnected. Bypass be removed. Left is clear. Right is clear.
Flaps fine. Flight control checked, and he is waving us off. Very good. So have the generators on, anti is not required, APU is off, engine start switch is continuous, recall is performed, and the start switch is idle detent, flight controls are checked, ground equipment removed, so we can start the taxi. And Athens traffic Ryanair 5 uniform Zulu will taxi India, and Delta to Delta 2 holding point 03 right. Brakes checked. And also let's do takeoff config test. Fine. No one else taxiing here, so we will go after this Airbus 320 then. Where is he now? Over there, lining up. We're clear left, clear right. We will line up after this guy. So I will take off in LNAV. Also VNAV, although I know it's not Ryanair standard. Oh, we have flaps 5 selected, 5 green lights. Change to the takeoff page here. Trim 541, set and checked. We'll line up here via Delta 2. It's the 320 proceeding. Yeah, he's rolling. Athens traffic, Ryanair 5 uniform Zulu will line up now with 03 right behind departing via Delta 2. So we can line up and hold here, just see that he gets away. So No one on final.
Approaching 0-3, right.
It's hard to see, but there he goes. You see the proceeding on Tikas here, he's 1,500 climbing now, so we can
On
depart
runway
very shortly.
0-3, right.
It's 2,000 climbing, so I guess we can go then. So, cleared for takeoff. So. Tina traffic, Ryanair 5 uniform Zulu, we are taking off runway 0403 right. Takeoff thrust is set. Now.
Airspeed alive.
Checked.
V1. Rookie.
So gear up.
Positive rate.
We're quite light, we are climbing with 18 degrees. Oh, come on in. So it's an NADP1 departure, so elevation height is 3,000 above ground. This now. Speed check flaps down. And flaps up. So it's speed 235 knots here in the turn. I will set flight order 190 immediately here. Standard. So we're on the way. So let's see, do we have any time between the top of climb and top of descent? I guess so. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. So the cruise speed is 0.56. Descent speed 245. Actually, we could climb a little higher today.
Athena traffic, aircraft 3, Lima Charlie down 36, we're going to be pushing facing southeast.
The tailwind is decreasing if we climb any higher, so maybe for the fuel then. So let's make it 210 instead. Set. So it's set 3 times now. Perfect. Some nice views here. So for the arrival then, later on, this is a very short flight. We'll come in via Pexan 1 Alpha over the VOR, and then a right hand circuit for runway 33, like this. Let's check out the weather again. It's 330 degrees, 15 knots, cab OK, and 34 degrees centigrades, 1009. So we have 2000 to go then. Once we reach the top of climb, we will start to prepare for the approach. Just check on VATSIM if there is anyone else going to this place. You can actually fly direct to Pexan. Let's go direct. So, VNAV available. We're on level. Yeah, hello, how are you today? So we have some 28 miles now to the top of the descent, so let's start preparing a little bit here. So what's the runway heading on? 334, so it's 10 degrees off. So I dial in 324 here, runway heading is 335. So for the weight, we will burn some 400 more kilograms of fuel, makes it 62 tons. Let's do some calculations. Yeah, we can make it with flaps 30, but no, we have no margin there, so we'll put flaps 40 instead, 1,589, and available is 2,100. I'll check up the minima as well for this approach. 1700. Takes a while to. So, took some eternity, 1700 MDA set. And after landing we will probably vacate via the end or via Charlie and into the apron. And I'm not really sure here where they put. Seems like Ryanair is using stand 1.
Traffic.
Where doesn't seem right. Oh, it's gone. So reaching top of the sand, let's dial in flight level 100 to begin with. So here's the approach. We will go over the VOR. Oh, the frequency for the VOR is 110.4. So we'll back up with the VOR on the also on the VOR1. So radial inbound is 324. Don't have any contact with the VR just yet, but I will check. Yeah, 110.4 is set. So There's a hard altitude of 1700 over the VOR. Missed approach 3500, yeah. Yeah, it's the missed approach, so 3500 or above. Let's see what it's calculating here. 6,000. I would say we'll go for 5,000. Oh, getting a little high on profile. Maybe we should have done that earlier. But anyway, auto brakes 3. You wind up the speed a little bit, chased back on the profile. Stop at 260. And local QNH is 1009er. So this will be a fun approach, I hope. We are not gaining much altitude here, so let's make it speed 270. So, contact with the VOR now, distance 39. Perfect. Maybe we can descend all the way down to 3.5, yeah, that's possible. That 3.5 is checked, we will very shortly dial in the QNH. We go 1009, cross-checked. Wrong direction. So we have the island of Santorini in sight in front of us. Airport is situated about here. So we will perform the VOR alpha approach and then visually runway 33. So how is everyone doing today? I hope. So let's see here. It says 34 degrees in Santorini, very hot day. Here in Sweden we have 29. Not as hot. So we are coming back on profile here. Let's wind back the speed to 250 then. See if we lose any speed here. We're passing flight level 100. Oh, nice. Yeah, Swedish west coast, the best coast, right? So we expect to be on ground here in 11 minutes. So we have the pressurization set on 100 feet. Altimeters 1009, descending 8700 cross-checked. We have flaps 40, VRef 137 plus 5. And after landing we will vacate left on the first available. Charlie if we can make it, otherwise Bravo. We'll add a little speed brakes here to get down the speed below 250 at least. So we have the field in sight, 12 o'clock. There's a big ridge here on the left hand side of the approach, so we will pass over the airport and then a right hand circuit. So this altitude here, 5000, is hard coded by me. In the approach shot it's 3500 or above. So, changing to level change instead. I'd like the speed to go below 230 if possible. No flaps want to be checked. Next altitude is 1700. that unchecked. Select flaps 2 now. Start repairing a little bit here. Doesn't get too much stress. So let's make it flaps 5, speed 180. So localizer, or sorry, the VR radial is locked. And gear down, flaps 15.
$2,500.
Go for flaps 25. I would say we can put off the flight directors now. flaps 40 coming up, speed 142.
100. Minimums.
Doing something else there, so I have to make a little more. Try to catch up with the speed.
$1,000.
Did we have any poppy here? I can't see it yet.
Terrain, pull up.
Approaching 3.
So 3,500 in the altitude window then.
Terrain, pull up. Terrain, pull up. Terrain, pull up.
Doesn't look that hazardous, but we're quite close to the cliff. Wind from northwest now.
400. $300. $200. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brake is up, reverses green. No problem to exit via Delta here. Airborne time was 33 minutes. Band 1 is on the northern part, so let's go right here. So it looks funny, it's a stair here in the way, but well. the marshaller. None. I have to check this GSX profile, it looks a little strange. I think the marshaller is inside the building or something. Yeah, that will do. Parking brakes. So let's ask for some deboarding here. See if that works.
Boarding requested.
Yeah, we are below 20%. We forgot the anti-collision light. There it goes. We can do like this.
Passengers deboarding starting.
Oh, where are you going? Ah, okay. This profile was maybe not perfect. I will check this walking path here for the GSX packs. Looks really funny. The whole profile need to be revised. So now it's getting too hot to sit in front of the computer, so I will shortly disconnect. I will disconnect also from VRaas. There we go. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care all.